Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh my god. Welcome back to another video. Today, unexpected news, but we got a new motorcycle. Try not to look at it right now, which is really awkward. But if you haven't guessed by the title, we have gotten what I originally wanted to get from the very start, and that is a 2026 KTM 990 RCR. And it looks absolutely incredible. Now, we're not in its home condition, but nonetheless, it is here, it is in my hands, and it was one of few currently in the country, and even less of in this region that I am located in. And it is fabulous. Picked it up about a week and a half ago, and I am loving every bit of it. But let's get off of this area and go for a ride. I will be doing a more in-depth review, so don't think this is it. I'm just introducing the bike. Look at this crazy dash. I currently keep it in track mode because it's cool and I have all the power if I need it for whatever the reason may be. This video is mainly about introducing it. God, this bike is so cool. But I did sell my MT09. I got a fairly good price for it considering the current bike market, and it was enough to be able to afford this. Not that they're too far apart in prices. We are currently still doing the break-in to the best of my ability. I was about to show you the odometer. Okay, well, we'll have a little more time to talk. Apparently everyone is going this way. There we go. Forgetting it's in braking still. Now we're stuck behind all these cars, and I'm trying not to ride their ass because I'm trying to prevent rock chips within my beautiful windscreen area, and forks and fender guard. But it seems like a majority of the stuff on this bike that would get rock chips, they did more of like a matte material, like a more coarse matte material. So that's nice. I think that was a cop. Not 100% sure, but everyone is hauling ass. I think that's very, very not fair. This was under construction. I thought they would have redone this. Maybe they did, but it's just full of salt. This is where they redid it. I'm still trying to be careful in how I ride it because of one, salt, two, there's a lot of sand on the roads. One thing or another thing or whatever, however, it has built-in, well, it's not really showing it very well, it has built-in navigation, which is lovely. And then that's not what I want. I want this one. It also has telemetry, but it works sometimes. And sometimes it takes a good amount of buffering time. Like before I could only get the right one to work. Now only the left one's working. So I don't know. Yeah, it also tells you how much throttle you're at. There's also another bar. Oh, that's not what I want. Anyways, there's also another bar down there. I'm trying to point out. Oh, that's why I brought it up. That's why it's a detour. Who would have thunk? Oh, there it goes. Now the telemetry is working on the left side. Hopefully, if once I buy the full tech package, it'll become better. Let's just notice that it says max lean angle is 21. Oh, maybe that's my lean angle. I don't know. It could be my lean angle. Get rid of that. And then we are currently sitting on 365 miles on the odometer with 85 miles until empty. We got a lap timer. We got eSIM. We got phone, headset pairing. Next service, warranty. Warranty is good. Oh, that's warning. We're currently in demo mode. I don't know what the speed limit's here. Bring out the trusty now. Oh, it's 45. I don't know any of that. I don't look like no thrift store. It looks like a bunch of hoarders. I was to buy something. They're like, "Oh no, we didn't mean to put that on sale or to sell it." Don't to be suspicious. Don't to be suspicious. Oh, that's a lot of salt. Yeah, there's a lot of rocks. Dead bird. I should have. It didn't start flashing. The red line's 5K. That's weird. Very interesting. I will say though, this cruise control is really good. When I do that on my MT09, when the cruise control is enabled, it would like cut power. This one is just so steady. When it's got quick shifter down, I just personally don't use it, at least while in braking. And it comes from the factory with burbles, which is fantastic. Is this God, I hate people. Come on, Grandpa, step on it. Damn, that's a nice Audi. Too bad it's so long and ugly. Also, this front brake. This front brake squeaks. Brother, my butt cheeks are still sore from yesterday's ride. Tired. Maybe I should end the video here. What do you guys think? You know what? I agree. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like. My new bike would very much appreciate that. And I hope you have a good rest of your day or night, whenever you're watching this. And that's all. Okay, bye.